Good morning. Welcome to Coffee Talk with Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. If you are watching this on YouTube, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you can find my videos very easily as they come on. So Nest Pretty is about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And I want to talk about something that has been on my mind this week, and that is being the CEO of your life. What does that look like? What does that sound like? What does it even mean? For me is the realization that like with my secular work, I go to work and I work really hard, and it's really important for me to show up. I take my work really seriously and I show up 100%. But then when I come home, perhaps I don't give myself 100%. So this week I'm thinking about if I treated myself the way I treated my boss, then what would that look like? And the thought of that is really exciting. Is declaring I am the CEO of my life. And then step number 2 is writing out a job description. And what does that look like? And then step number 3 is getting the mindset that when I make a goal for myself, when I set an intention for myself, when I give myself a job, that I follow through the same way I would for my boss. So, like for instance, if your boss asked you to walk a mile every day, like, would it be a big deal? Would you be like, oh, this is part of my job, I just do this, no big deal, no mind drama, nothing? But then you come home and you're like, oh, it's time to walk your miles. Like, do I really have to? So for me, I'm doing a little mind shift about how I respond to the goals I set for myself, what I put into my calendar for myself, the intentions I'm setting for myself, and treating myself the way I do my boss. So Heidi Gammill just got a raise, CEO of her life. she just got a, what is that called? A promotion. Yeah, promotion. And that's what I'm going to be working on. A couple other things. This afternoon in my Facebook group, I'm going to walk through how to curate a wardrobe you love. I'm starting my next 10-piece wardrobe. So if you want to join me over there, I'll do it about 2 o'clock. And also, very exciting, starting, I think it's on the 13th, in my Facebook group, I'm going to do a How to Look Your Best on Zoom challenge. And I'll just come in every day for a week live and share some tips and tricks on how to look your best on Zoom, because it's not going away. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. I hope that you have a fantastic day. I hope you enjoy a second cup of coffee and consider giving yourself a promotion. Bye.